Valentine's Day 2025, February 14th. Uncle Remus Museum, established 1963. Eatonton, Georgia. U.S. Highway 441, 129. I'm not sure if that's still Georgia 24 or not, but doesn't matter to us. I always love these stories. Brewer Rabbit, his little pipe. Born and bred in the briar patch, he survives forever by his wit, his courage, and his cunning. And Brewer Fox. Or is that Brewer Bear? I think that's Brewer Fox over there. Yeah, this is going to be Brewer Fair, Brewer Bear, I guess. The other one might be too. I don't know. Doesn't have a name on them. That's got to be Bear. I'm going to get some still photos. What is this down here? No photography inside. Old blacksmithing equipment, blacksmith shop. Farm bell, the Smitty. I'll get stills of these and put in the video. Oh, look at that big old cauldron. Boy, I bet you could brew up some concoctions, some spells or stuff in there. Potions. Boy, that's a nice pine tree there. Look at that rascal. You got some 2x16s inside that rascal. Or some 6x10s if you want. You got a 12x18. Pretty much anything you want to cut out of there. Okay, let's get some still pictures. Well, look at what we found here. Nice little sundial. Anybody knows me knows I love sundials. Sundials, moon dials. And I just checked, it's about 110, and that is showing about 120, maybe 115. Well, it's not too far off. And I guess depending on latitude, longitude, you have to adjust for that kind of stuff. So, Grant's the Graybeard. Oh, that's a beautiful tree. Gracie Graybeard. Let's go over here and get Brer Rabbit. Brer Rabbit. Okay, to wrap this up, the population of Eatonton is 1579 and the elevation is 515 feet above sea level. Now, like all these little towns and everything, that's just the city limits. The area around that has a much higher population. Okay, we're going to put this together and start uploading it. Get us a bite to eat.